Well, you gotta look your best every day. Let me preface this by saying that yes, you look great no matter what. You should accept and embrace the way you look, dolled up or not. And this isn't about vanity, nor is it about dressing for the male gaze or female gaze. It is, however, about bringing a certain degree of self-respect, self-care, and luxury into your otherwise mundane life. See, if you're anything like me who works at home, who doesn't go out much, you probably spend a lot of time in your loungewear, which is just a fancier word for pajamas, of which I have a lot. Guilty as charged. Actually, my scenario was far worse because I do get dressed up, but I used to only dress up for work. And naturally, I started to hate putting on makeup and dressing up because all that sounds like work to me. What used to be a form of self-care and self-expression gradually became a chore. So on my days off, I would just retreat to my cave and became the most sloppy version of myself. To the point that whenever I do get dressed up and go out in my makeup, people will be surprised. When the truth is, I've always known how to do makeup. I can make myself look just better than I looked before. I was too lazy and too bothered to do it if it wasn't for work. Because in my head, that was taking a break. That was self-care. But now I realize that dressing up shouldn't be for anybody else but me. And when I feel good about myself, I feel like I could tackle anything and my days are suddenly better. Now, obviously, you shouldn't dress like you're going to the Sistine Chapel every day. That's unnecessary or just impractical. Luckily, it doesn't take much to spice up your whole look. It could just be brushing your hair or taking the time to think about your outfit choices the night before or just trying a new makeup trick. I mean, I get it. Dressing up can take a lot of time, which we don't always have. And I don't even follow my own advice half the time.
Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Actually, probably more than half the time. But it is about the principle of it. It's about just putting in an extra bit of attention and care into how you present yourself, how you show up for yourself. It only takes 5 minutes to put on mascara, to put on lipsticks, and that 5-minute investment is nothing compared to how much better you'll feel throughout the day. Because something happens when you feel good about yourself, especially when you're the one that did it. It's like all of a sudden you've accomplished something, even though it was, relatively speaking, pretty trivial. The same goes for exercising, going for a walk, taking a bath, cleaning your bathroom. Like any form of self-care, being more intentional about how you look and how you present yourself signals to the brain, hey, you love yourself and this is how you show it. It's great for your self-esteem. Plus, whenever I do dress up, I feel like the day has become special. As if anything can happen. Like sometimes I would just put on a different, more intentional outfit than the ones that I slept in, i.e. my pajamas. Even when I'm just at home, sitting on my ass, editing or doing computer work. Because I dressed up, this typically boring chore wasn't so boring anymore. And if every day is special already, I won't have to psych myself up or expend all this excessive mental energy for an actual special occasion. Obviously, there are days where you just feel like taking a break, you just feel like being a sloppy potato. Just dress up to the best you can every day because it sets you up for any opportunity that might come your way. Be it meeting a cute guy or girl, duh, or meeting a potential employer or potential best friend. Remember, if you're ready all the time, you won't have to get ready.